Hi, I'm Peter Hatherley, founder of Authored Intelligence. Welcome to this introductory video for our brand new all-in-one suite. First up, as always, there's a login. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free by clicking the appropriate link. You'll receive an automated email with your login details. If you already have an existing account, logging in will take you directly to the main interface. If you've already purchased it, it will say Start. If you haven't, it will say Buy Now. If you want to purchase the suite, click the link and it will take you to a secure PayPal card where you can enter any coupons that you might already have on hand. There's a chat button in the bottom right hand corner if you have any questions. You'll also find some links to the tutorials, the website and to our support centre. So let's get started with the all-in-one suite. Once you've clicked the Start button, the new interface appears. But before we go any further, I'm going to lead you through some of the new features to get you familiarised with how this new version works. You'll notice there are 3 vertical dots at the top right hand corner. If you tap these, you'll get 3 options: Start Chat, End Chat, and View Recent Chats. Here we can load any chat from the recent history. But let's start with a new one. First we type in the topic that we're after. Then all of the apps immediately appear in a numbered list. If you've used the all-in-one suite previously, you'll instantly recognize these apps apart from one. First up there's Outline Author. Next there's Headline Author, Agency Writer, AI Professional, SEO Author, Hype Writer, Conceptual Author, Emotive Intelligence, Storyline Author, and a brand new one, Upfront Focus. For this example, I've chosen to use SEO Author. After I've typed in the name of the app, it instantly generates the content. The default output is broken into 1-sentence paragraphs to make it easier to proof. I've found over the years that having more space leads to improved levels of engagement. This reflects as a radically increased dwell time in your site analytics or for your in-depth Facebook posts. But if you prefer a more traditional structure, you can merge the text into 2 or 3 sentence paragraphs using the controls just above the message bar. In this case, I've decided to use a microprompt to increase the size of the output. I've asked it to increase the output by 300%. There are several different methods that can do this, but this is a really smart one. After this is completed, I click the Merge into 2-sentence paragraphs button, and the transformation begins immediately. If we look at the 3 vertical dots again, we can end the chat, start a new chat, or view recent chats. In this case, I click View Recent Chats, and I select the most recent chat. After it loads back into the tool, I then copy the final output by clicking the clipboard icon at the bottom left just under the copy. I then open the Authored Intelligence editor and then paste in the content. Here you can edit the text prior to using it. Once you've finished, you simply click the clipboard icon at the top right hand corner to copy it and then paste it wherever you want. Next up, I'll show you where you can access Prompt Tag Author. Most of you will have used this feature extensively in version 1. So we hit the tag icon at the top right of the interface right beside the editor icon. As you can see, it's fully featured and includes all of the nuggets we were able to build into the previous version. A quick scroll shows the depth of this unique resource. So let's choose one. Let's select Write an Article. And as always, you'll notice that the tool includes the appropriate delimiters for that higher level of accuracy in your output. Once you've got the ones you want, you simply click the copy icon so you can paste these tags back at the coalface. Then with a quick click of the back button, you're back in the flow. So let's use this tag to write some copy. We just paste it, then edit it appropriately to include the topic. Then I appropriately type in Hype Writer to activate that app. You can also just type in the number. So after it supplies the initial output, I merge it into 2-sentence paragraphs. Now here's where it gets really interesting. It's where the all-in-one tool truly excels. You could ask it to do anything. You could ask it to make the content more contemporary, more concise. But in this case, I ask it to give it more oomph. But you can do anything, from changing a single word, to rewriting or pulling a sentence, to extending the number of paragraphs. Just remember, if you want to change your paragraph structure, make sure you specify how many sentences you'd like in each. You can ask it to refine the tone, shift the style, or make it more punchy, or even tone it down if necessary. The sky is the limit. All you need to do is ask, and it will always respond appropriately. So that's it for this quick walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you already have the all-in-one tool, it's been appropriately upgraded in your account. If not, check out our current deals to see what you might save. Thanks for watching.